After years of rumors and anticipation, Toyota has finally revived one of its most iconic sports cars, the Celica. Today, we're diving deep into the 2026 Toyota Celica. From its bold new design to its high-tech interior and powerful engine, let's find out if this legend lives up to its name. The first thing you'll notice about the 2026 Celica is its futuristic yet nostalgic design. Toyota blends sharp modern lines with classic Celica DNA, a low-slung coupe stance, muscular curves, and an aggressive front fascia. Up front, the LED matrix headlights give it a piercing look, while the gloss black grille with subtle Celica badging brings a premium touch. Along the side, aerodynamic sculpting and candy red paint options make it stand out, especially under city lights. At the rear, a sleek LED light bar stretches across the back, complemented by an active spoiler that adjusts for downforce. It's clear Toyota wanted the Celica to feel both sporty and futuristic, making it a head-turner in any setting. Step inside, and the Celica greets you with a driver-focused cockpit. The interior mixes minimalism with cutting-edge tech. A 12.9-inch curved digital display combines both the instrument cluster and infotainment, giving you everything from navigation to performance stats right at your fingertips. The seats? Racing-inspired bucket seats with premium leather and Alcantara trims, available in striking black-red dual tones. Toyota also integrated ambient lighting that syncs with drive modes, whether you're in comfort, sport, or track. And of course, no modern sports car is complete without connectivity. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even Toyota's new AI assistant are all standard. Now, let's talk performance, the heart of any Celica. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Celica comes with a 2.4-liter turbocharged hybrid engine, producing a combined 390 horsepower. Paired with Toyota's advanced AWD system, it delivers lightning-fast acceleration, 0 to 60 in just 4.2 seconds. Toyota also offers a GR-tuned version for enthusiasts, complete with upgraded suspension, Brembo brakes, and a sport exhaust system that growls on demand. Fuel efficiency hasn't been ignored either, thanks to its hybrid system, making it as practical as it is thrilling. The 2026 Toyota Celica isn't just a comeback, it's a bold statement from Toyota that the era of fun, driver-focused sports cars isn't over. With its futuristic styling, tech-packed interior, and thrilling performance, the Celica may just become a new fan favorite for the next generation. So, what do you think? Did Toyota do justice to the Celica legacy? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into the cars of the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.